Okay, first things first, let's ditch the idea that losing weight has to be complicated. It's all about little tweaks that actually make a big difference. I'm talking easy, no bullshit stuff. You can start today. Stick around till the end, and I'll show you how to download a free guide with meal prep tips and a 7-day fat loss plan. Let's get started. Now, here's the deal. Weight gain happens when you eat more calories than your body burns. That's it. It's calories. So, to lose weight, you just need to tip the scale the other way. Burn more than you eat. Tip number 1. Portion control. Look, I get it, telling you to eat less sounds like the most basic advice ever. But hear me out. You don't have to starve yourself. Just eat smarter. Use smaller plates. Seriously, it tricks your brain into thinking you're eating more. And if you're like me and love seconds, start with veggies or something low-calorie. It's like hacking your appetite. Easy, right? Number 2. Stop drinking your calories. Do you know how much sugar is in this soda? Like, a ridiculous amount. And no, diet soda isn't the hero we thought it was either. Switch to water, herbal tea, or black coffee. Bonus points if you drink a glass of water before meals. It's like hitting the pause button on hunger. You'll feel full faster, and you're not wasting calories on stuff that doesn't even satisfy you. This one is my favorite. Eat more food. Yup. More, just make it the right food. Fill your plate with things like veggies, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. Here's the magic. These foods are super filling, low in calories, and you can eat a ton without feeling guilty. It's like eating a mountain of food and still losing weight. Win-win. Next tip. Slow the heck down when you eat. I know we're all busy, but scarfing down food like you're in a race is not it. Your brain takes about 20 minutes to realize you're full. So take your time, chew, breathe, enjoy your food. Put your fork down between bites. You'll be amazed at how much less you eat when you're actually paying attention. Last but not least, get some freaking sleep. Did you know that when you don't sleep enough, your hunger hormones go haywire? You end up craving junk food and eating way more than you should. Aim for 7 to 8 hours a night. Trust me, this one is a game changer. And no, staying up binge watching your favorite show doesn't count as self-care. See, losing weight without exercise is not just possible, it's actually pretty simple. You don't need to live in the gym or starve yourself to get results. Just make these small, smart changes and watch what happens. That's it. Yeah, congrats. You can now grab your free fat loss meal plan. Just check the link in the description below. Go get it. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips like this. And hey, drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to losing weight? Let's chat about it.